Water Freedom System Reviews. Is this a comprehensive solution to water scarcity? For your convenience, we've compiled the most trustworthy and anticipated water freedom system evaluations. Are you worried about water scarcity or how to build an emergency store of water to protect your family? Then this is the review for you. This method teaches you how to construct a simple water generator capable of extracting water from the air. What is the Water Liberty System? Water Freedom System is a step-by-step instruction manual that teaches you how to produce your own supply of clean, fresh, drinking water at any time and from any location. This technology has the potential to be a game changer in areas with inadequate water supplies. Additionally, this tutorial assists in the construction of a water generator system capable of providing liters of fresh, clean water regardless of your location. Additionally, it teaches people how to generate their own clean, fresh drinking water via the use of a simple filter. The author of this booklet shows you how to eliminate almost 99% of dangerous chemicals from water by eliminating parasites, giardia, and cryptosporidium cysts, bacteria, and other pollutants. Apart from that, it teaches you how to eliminate chlorine and other potentially harmful compounds from tap water. It includes a set of blueprints and comprehensive step-by-step instructions for converting filthy and poisonous water to fresh, clean water. Chris Burns, inventor of the Water Freedom System. Chris Burns, a farmer from Fresno City, is the creator of the Water Freedom System. He lives in a region prone to severe droughts and has first-hand experience with the consequences of a water scarcity. As a result, he took things into his own hands and founded the Water Freedom System. This guide will assist you in producing pure water on your own. The book includes blueprints and directions for manufacturing pure water via the treatment of unclean water. Additionally, he says that with the push of a button, you may get an infinite supply of water. The Water Freedom System enables you to produce up to 60 gallons of clean water. How is the Water Freedom System operated? The Water Freedom System ebook is a comprehensive handbook that covers all of the essential aspects of surviving in a drought situation. Other water purifying systems use physical water, while this method utilizes just air. Condensation moistens the air and transforms it to potable water. This straightforward technique of removing moisture from the air and turning it into pure water may be accomplished with the simple push of a button on the water generator. This water generator utilizes air to generate gallons of water. Apart from that, the Water Freedom System booklet contains advice on how to construct a pleasant house for your family and how to live 3 days without power. As a result, you may produce your own water. It contains a set of instructions and designs for purifying polluted water. Additionally, there are no hazardous chemicals involved, and all of the basics are straightforward and properly handled, requiring no complex equipment or technical expertise. What is included in the Guide to the Water Freedom System? The Water Freedom System Manual is a collection of written and audio instructions, and all of these materials are available in any format. Additionally, the system includes a plan that demonstrates how to assemble it precisely. Additionally, the Water Freedom System Handbook provides a supplies list. The Ultimate Greenhouse Manual. The Ultimate Greenhouse demonstrates how to maintain a greenhouse during a drought, and how to ensure the survival of their greenhouse plants and products during a drought. Essential Bartering Guide. This article demonstrates how to switch goods effectively in an emergency and discusses product survivability. It may be very beneficial in an environment when products or labor are in high demand. Home Defense Guide. This handbook protects your house and family against hazardous situations and those attempting to steal resources. The Black Guide to Survival. The Black Guide to Survival provides advice on how to endure a terrible catastrophe such as drought or hunger, as well as useful suggestions for ensuring the family's survival under specific circumstances. The advantages of using the Water Freedom System. The Water Freedom System is completely maintenance-free. A thorough tutorial that demonstrates step-by-step how to build your own system. This system is lightweight and portable, which means you can take it with you on your travels. Installing the Water Freedom System takes just a few minutes. The system files are fully downloadable in any format, including blueprints, full-color step-by-step instructions, and a complete material list. Along with the Water Freedom System, you'll receive 4 additional manuals for free. Is the Water Freedom System legitimate or is it a scam? Yes, the Water Freedom System is a legitimate system that contributes to the development of a clean water system. According to Chris Burns, this method has helped over 11,000 families so far. Customer feedback on the Water Freedom System is likewise very positive. While some people may first find the instructions confusing, many guidebooks are available to assist. This guide comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are unhappy with the method. Customer reviews and complaints about the Water Freedom System. Water Freedom Method is a basic system that teaches you how to build a simple and cheap technology that will assist you in generating your own water. The majority of customer evaluations are favorable. Additionally, no users have expressed dissatisfaction with the system. Some of them first find the instructions rather difficult, so it takes some effort. Numerous consumers report that the instructions are simple to follow and that the device performs as advertised, which makes the Water Freedom model a safe and dependable product. Water Freedom System cost and availability. The Water Freedom System is just $39.69. This tutorial is only accessible through the official website. If you purchase the ebook, you'll also get a bonus that includes a greenhouse, a guide to trading, a Paranoid's Home Guide Defense, and a Black Survival Guide. A 60-day money-back guarantee is included with the Water Freedom System digital book. It is not accessible for purchase on any other websites or e-commerce platforms such as Amazon or eBay. Water Freedom System reviews. Is it worth the money? Water Freedom System is the greatest guidance if you want to solve all of the world's water shortage problems. Water shortage may be an issue if you run out of water or if you can't obtain clean, fresh water. The Water Freedom System evaluations provide detailed advice on how to resolve these issues. Chris Burns' primary aim is to offer an infinite supply of fresh, pure water. It is a highly safe and cost-effective method of obtaining safe drinking water. Each day, you may produce 60 gallons of pure, chemical-free water with the assistance of this tutorial. Additionally, the 60-day money-back guarantee eliminates any risk associated with the transaction.